Hi, big data people. Welcome to Tableau TCS real interview questions for 3 to 7 years experienced. Job description. The job description involves 3+ years of experience with the Tableau BI tool in a large NV, good knowledge on design, development, data visualization, and implementation of Tableau applications. Should be good in preparing reports and dashboards, including Tableau prep. Strong SQL knowledge and Azure knowledge is a added advantage. Tell about yourself section. So explore your career opportunities. What are the projects you have worked? What are the companies you have worked in? BI questions. So how to swap dimensions? How to create, edit, join in Tableau BI? What are context filters? How you create a waterfall charts? Tableau BI questions. Draw a visualization between customers and their profit and sort it from smallest to biggest. Second one is how can you embed a web page in a dashboard? Tableau BI question scenario based. You are working with a data set that includes sales data across multiple dimensions, which is region, product, and time. So, how would you create a multidimensional analysis that allows users to slice and dice the data in various ways? The next question is what are the differences between dimensions and measures in Tableau, and how do you structure them for effective analysis? The key concepts to explore here are pivoting data, working with multiple dimensions in Tableau, and the hierarchies and drill down capabilities they are expecting here. SQL questions. First one is how to create a custom SQL query. Write some custom SQL query with good examples. And second one is how to import SQL data in Tableau. Python questions. So how to configure Tableau Python TabPy server for Tableau server. And next one is how to use Python for Tableau. So give me some use cases for using Python on Tableau. Or programming questions. So either Python or you need to answer. So first question is write a function in R to create a bar plot of a given vector of categorical data. Second one is write a function in R to impute missing values in a given data frame. Third one is how to integrate R and Tableau. HR questions. The first question is you are asking for a high range salary. So if you negotiate, we can provide you the offer. So if you say it was no, so if you still need the same package, convince us why we offer that. Thanks for watching our video, Big Data Tunnel, Biggie. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment my channel.